The Zeekr 9X will officially unveil its vehicle at a technical conference on July 9, which will delve into the extensive super hybrid technology source architecture of the Zeekr 9X. The new vehicle will be launched simultaneously with the new vehicle in the third quarter of this year. In terms of appearance, the front of the Zeekr 9X still features a combination of a chrome grille and split headlights. The new vehicle also features the world's largest integrated chrome grille among SUVs, measuring over 120 centimeters wide and 70 centimeters high. The lower section of the grille is designed and extended according to the Royal Palace base. It also features the world's largest clamshell hood, over 2 square meters, for an SUV, with a central raised structure extending the grille lines vertically. The vehicle's sides are equipped with hidden door handles and laser radar. It also features a large triangular rear window and a bold D-pillar design. Additionally, its overall length is over 5.2 meters, its width is over 2 meters, its height is over 1.8 meters, and its wheelbase is approximately 3.2 meters. In terms of intelligent driving, the Chenli Hauhan H9 intelligent driving solution is first launched, equipped with 5 laser radars and dual Thor chips with processing power up to 1400 TOPS. It supports L3-level autonomous driving with high-precision map and visual fusion, and its end-to-end response speed has been increased by 50%. In terms of power, it is equipped with Hauhan Super Hybrid technology, utilizing a 2.0T Super Hybrid engine, 205 kilowatts, plus front and rear dual motors, 290 kilowatts plus 370 kilowatts, producing a total power of 897 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds, and a top speed of 240 kilometers per hour. In terms of battery life, the CLTC uses 6C Xiaoyao batteries, which offer a pure electric range of 380 kilometers. It can travel 200 kilometers with a 5-minute charge. Recharging from 20% to 80% takes only 9 minutes. In terms of chassis, it uses dual-chamber air suspension and a dual-valve CCD electromagnetic vibration reduction system, with 110 mm of lift adjustment, a maximum ground clearance of 288 mm, and a 70% deep snow climbing capability.